Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to take control of their financial future, mastering the basics of personal finance. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to cover some essential concepts. Let's start with the cornerstone of personal finance, budgeting. Creating a budget is like having a roadmap for your money. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings goals. Begin by listing all your sources of income, then subtract your fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. What's left over is your discretionary income, which you can allocate towards savings or discretionary spending. Next up, let's talk about the importance of saving. Building an emergency fund is crucial for weathering unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills without derailing your financial plans. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account like a high-yield savings account. Now, let's address the often misunderstood world of credit. Your credit score plays a significant role in your financial health, influencing everything from loan approvals to insurance rates. Make sure to pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and monitor your credit report regularly for any errors. Last but certainly not least, let's touch on investing. Investing is like planting seeds that grow into wealth over time. Whether you're saving for retirement or other long-term goals, it's essential to understand different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor to help you develop a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. And there you have it, a crash course in mastering the basics of personal finance. Remember, building a strong financial foundation takes time and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. So, take what you've learned today and start implementing these principles into your financial life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.